Okay, so dumating na yung isang stock from the warehouse. So ito na boss, binuksan ko na. Just checking it out kung kompleto. May kulang o may damages, okay? But the box of this one is better. Kasi yung box nito, makinis, oh. Walang dent, okay? Pero napansin ko, yung box sa ilalim, mayroon din. So piliin na lang natin later. Tapos ito yung figure, as you can see there. Ganda, diba? This is from the review sa YouTube. This is the best Boba Fett na nagawa. Kasi merong isa yung throne. Tapos merong isa yung repaint armor. Kasi ito yung latest. Yung Boba Fett, The Book of Boba Fett. Okay? Na may kasama siya mga accessories na mga fire blaster niya. Okay? Tsaka yung sa backpack niya. Jetpack. Okay? So sige, check ko lang and then I'll be back.